We are pleased to show you the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, lane departure warning, power lift gate, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, MP3 player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.